Oh, sanibonani. Mr. M Dlamini phambi kwenu ozonilekelela nge-maths. Kwi-maths sobe sibuka ama-functions. So for okwamanje ngicela ukuthi sibuke i-hyperbola function. Kwi-hyperbola function sine-general equation yakhona ye-hyperbola ethini ithi f at x is equal to a over x it plus or minus p and plus or minus q. Iyona general equation yethu leyana esinayo kwi-hyperbola. So kwi-hyperbola kumele siqale sazi i-shape before u-approach ama-questions. Kumele uqale wazi ukuthi i-shape ye-graph yakho uzoyidetermine kanjani. So ibullet yokuqala sobheka i-shape. So i-shape ye-graph yethu siyithola kanjani kahle. I-shape ye-graph yethu idetermine u-a. If i-value ka-a i-greater than 0, so i-shape ye-graph yakho izoba kwi-first quadrant nakwi-third quadrant. Ngiyacabanga kuyacaca lapho ukuthi i-shape ye-graph idetermine i-value ka-a. If u-a wakho less than 0, which is negative. If u-a wakho negative, so i-graph yakho izoba kwi-second quadrant nakwi-fourth quadrant. Ngiyacabanga kuyacaca lapho-ke kumfundi masikhuluma nge-shape ye-hyperbola function. Bese sizokhuluma ngama-intercepts. Kuma-intercepts sine x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So for x-inter, let y equal to 0. So ngithi ngumfundi for x-intercept, if isikhuluma ngo-x-intercept u-y wethu uzoba equal to 0. Ipoint lokuqala lelo kumfundi. Elesibili for y-intercept sithi let x equal to 0. Sesakhuluma ngama-intercept wethu bese siba nama-asymptotes. If isikhuluma ngama-asymptotes ilapho esibheka khona i-graph yethu lapho engathinti khona asimthinti. Lawo malayini lawo sisuke singawathinti. Lana kwi-hyperbola yethu sine-horizontal asymptote erepresentwa u-p, sibe ne-vertical asymptote erepresentwa u-q. So bese kuba ne-equation of ama-asymptote wethu. I-equation ye-horizontal asymptote suke sikhuluma ngo-x lapho-ke sithi x plus p is equal to 0. If sesifuna i-asymptote la x sizothini x is equal to negative p. So u-p wethu made e-positive uyashintsha i-sign to u-negative. So usezoba u-negative. Asymptote yethu lapho-ke sizoshintsha to u-negative. For i-vertical asymptote erepresenta u-q, u-q yena kashintshi simthatha njengoba enjalo sithi y is equal to q. Bese siba nani? Sibe nama axis. Ibullet lethu lesifoleli axis of symmetry. Kwi-axis of symmetry kwi-hyperbola ngeke ngithi mina kumfundi i-graph yakho ngizoyibhala i-equation njengoba injalo. F at x is equal to a over x, let's say it plus p and plus q. So for positive axis of symmetry ngeke ngithi kumfundi mina akacaphune nayo iportion ngezansi eshiye i-value ka-a. So senze njani? Siyayivala i-value of a, siba no y is equal to, angibhale, y is equal to x plus p plus q. Lena siyibiza ngani? I-positive, isuke ine-positive gradient. Ngiyacabanga kuyacaca ukuthi lana sivala i-value ka-a bese sithi y, u-f at x abanye bengadideki uyalingana no-y. So sithi y is equal to x plus p plus q. Le isuke ine-positive gradient. Ake sithi bathe asisho i-negative gradient ye-axis of symmetry. Usuzoba no y is equal to, in the place of x no plus p usuzoba no negative bese introduce bracket lakho ube no x plus p close bracket no plus q. Le graph le isuke ine negative gradient. Ukuthi le si close u-a bese sisebenzisa lama values angaphansi x plus p no plus q. If a negative ku plus wethu sizofaka u-negative ku s plus p bese sithola i-axis of symmetry, which is the line that divides the graph into two equal halves. Ngiyacabanga kuyacaca. Ngithanda ukuthi asibheke i-class activity khona sizobheka i-shape, ama-intercepts, axis of symmetry nama-asymptotes kwi-graph ifunikwe i-equation ikule standard form lesiya. Ngizoqala ngokuthi asibheke i-shape yale graph izoba kumaphi ama-quadrants? Izoba kwi-first quadrant nakwi-third quadrant. Ngobani? Because i-value ka-a i-greater than 0 iwu-3 lapha siyayibona ukuthi iwu-3, so i-greater than 0. Bese sibheka ama-intercepts. Ama-intercepts aleya graph sizothini? Khona isingisi simnandi nje sike sisho for x inter let y equal to 0. So in the place of y maku x intercept sifaka ubani? Sifaka u0. So ba no y is equal to 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. Sifuni x intercept ku y sofaka ubani? 0 is equal to 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. Sitranspose u2 as a kuleli side eshintshe sign ebe positive sign. 2 is equal to 3 over x plus 1 la bese cross multiplier 3 times 1 sithole u3 is equal to 2 into x plus 1 sidivide ngo2 ngoba sifuna i-value ka x sibe no 3 over 2 is equal to x plus 1 ngoba sifuna u-x transpose 1 eze kwa left hand side ezoba u3 over 2 minus 1 equal to x. Therefore u-x wethu uzoba equal to 1 over 2. 3 over 2 minus 1 koba u1 over 2, which is half. Sayithola x intercept. Le x intercept sesobhala ama-coordinates ethu aba u-x is 2 y. So x intercept ngoba siyitholile u1 over 2 is 2. Therefore x intercept let y equal to 0. So y u0 siyibhala kuma coordinate form kanje. Sesizobheka i-y intercept yakhona. So for y-inter, let's x equal to 0. So in the place of x, so far 1, so far 0, y is equal to 3 over, cause x la passes so far over manje, so far 0 plus 1 minus 2, y is equal to, so far we calculate 3 over 2, 3 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 3 minus 2, y is equal to positive 1. Sibhala kwi-coordinate form, sithe for y-intercept let x equal to 0, i-value x is 0 is 2 y, so calculated sawuthola ukuthi u1. Sengizobheka ama-axes of symmetry, ibhodi lethi lincane kakhulu, sizosula nje masiqeda. Okunye sengizobheka ama-asymptotes ukuthi sowathola kanjani kule graph uma besinika equation ekanjeya asymptotes. So kwi-asymptote ngishilo ukuthi siba ne-positive asymptote, sibe kuma asymptote ngishilo ukuthi siba ne-horizontal asymptote, sibe ne-vertical asymptote. F at x is equal to 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. Siba ne-horizontal asymptote. For i-horizontal asymptote sizothi x plus 1 equal to 0, cause x uyi-value kabani, uyi-value ka-p. And then asymptote zethu lapha izoba x equal to -1, and then vertical asymptote izobe negative 2, y is equal to -2. Le i-horizontal asymptotes bese kuthi le u-2 over i-vertical ohamba ngama-values vertically. Bese sibheka ama-axes of symmetry. Kuma-axes of symmetry ngikutshelile ukuthi sicaphuna lokho kungezansi sike i-value ka-a yangithi. So lapha igraph yethu ngizophinde ngiyibhale futhi 3 over x plus 1 minus 2. La sizovala ul-3 asimnaki, sicaphuna lokho kungezansi. Sifuna i-positive asymptote, i-axis of symmetry njalo, ne-negative axis of symmetry. For i-positive siyithatha njengoba inje, izoba h at x is equal to x plus 1 minus 2. So h at x uyafana no y is equal to x minus y. Le in a positive axis of symmetry. If i negative ngithe sivula lela bracket la libe ne negative ngaphandle ngithi. So h at x is equal to negative into x plus 1 no minus 2, usuzoba negative x, u-negative lo uzothamza lama values aphansi nendawo, no minus y, negative times positive 1 or negative minus 2. So i-equation yethu ye-axis of symmetry ene negative gradient izoba negative x minus 3. So iyona ke le. Sesikhulumile ngama-asymptotes, axis of symmetry, ama-intercept ne-shape yethu. Sekushoda ukuthi siplote i-graph. Ekuploteni i-graph yethu sizodinga equation of asymptotes. Equation ye-asymptotes yethu ngithe x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -2. Ama-asymptotes wethu lawo. So sesiwabhala ama-asymptotes ama-line lawa igraph yakhe ngawathinti asimthinti. So u-x lapha u-negative khona 1 singambeka maybe la ngathi ngathola irola khona ngizoqondisa kahle. Maqondana no-1 okuyi vertical asymptote yethu, and then horizontal asymptote yethu y u-2 singambeka la -2. Sesiplotha igraph yethu njengamanje. Ama-asymptote yethu indicate ngama-dotted line. Sakha i-new Cartesian plane. Le-Cartesian plane ebesiyenzile yokuqala asibe sisayinaka izoyithasha leya, kodwa le yenziwe ama-asymptote asisayithinti leyo. That's why ngithi ama-asymptote sithini asimthinti. Bese siplotha ama-x and y intercept. Ku-x intercept sokuqala simthola ukuthi ubani u-1/2 is to 0, and then y wethu sithola ukuthi u-0 is to 1. So u-1 is to 0x uzoba close to, let's say u-1 la uzoba between u-0 no-1. So iphonti lethu lokuqala sizolibeka lapha. Bese kuba elika y 0 is to 1 solibeka la phezulu, where u-x ewu-0. Bese sibuka i-shape yegraph yethu ukuthi sithe izoma kwi-first quadrant nakwi-third angithi. Sesojoyina ama-point wethu. Kuthi ama-asymptote angithi ngithe asimthinti. Le enye igraph leyokugcina uyayidweba sinoma kanjani ama-coordinates ayo noma ungawazi, kodwa nje uma uthole lawa ama-x and y intercept. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi sesiqedile nge-hyperbola. Sabonga.